empowered and confident about your food choices and your own health needs.
We are thrilled that you have found us and are thinking about joining our program. Our participants are noticing a greater sense of confidence in the kitchen around their food choices, and they are also more connected to their own bodies.
We are proud to say that we have a program that will, in a big or small way, change your life and the way you look at health forever.
The colourful food plan will kickstart your taste buds and you will rediscover foods like never before.
We blend science and wisdom, biochemistry and creativity. So if you think that there is more to health than kale and a gym membership card, this program is for you. And don't forget, there's nobody more suitable to take care of you than yourself.